Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Google Meet in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a basma should appear here in our screen, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see a list of the options. Look for this icon which contains all of the Google apps. So from here, you need to scroll down and locate for Meet. I can see it here. Click on it the moment you had find it. So here at the Google Meet, you can start a new meeting or you can enter a code or link that you want to join in. Okay. And before you can create a meeting or where before you can enter a code or link, make sure that you have logged in your Gmail account first. Once you have logged it in my case, I have already logged in mine. As you can see, it is being logged in my case. Once you have logged in, you can now proceed on the downloading or on the installation of this Google Meet. So by that, please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. So from that on, you would be able to see a window like this. Please proceed with cast, save, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to bring up this left window where here you can see a list of the option. And under the save, you can see there an option called install Google Meet as an application. So click on it. And the moment you do that, this small window would ask you to confirm your action on the installation of this app. Click on install to proceed. So from here, when the new window would appear here in our screen, meaning that we have successfully installed it as an application here in our PC or laptop. So all you do is you can close the window as well as the Google Chrome browser. And from here, when you look at the desktop, you can see that the Google Meet is being placed as a shortcut here at the Windows desktop. And if you would look at this, let's look at the button search bar and type for Meet, you will be able to see that the best match is being appearing as an application. And when you navigate to your settings, type on settings, and when you click on open, you would need to navigate to apps to see on the installed apps or the list of the applications present in your computer and check if your Google Meet is being placed along with the applications that you have in your Windows. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for it. Okay, so we need to check if it's being installed here. In my case, yes. In your case also, it might be running or being appearing at the list of application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can now close the window, and your Windows also ask you if you would like to pin your Google Meet to your taskbar. You can simply click on yes if you would like to pin it there for easy access, or you can simply decline that by clicking on no thanks. Okay? So from here, you can proceed on the Google Meet. Once you have logged in your account, you can now start a new meeting and you can also enter a code or link which is being sent by your co-workmates or by your instructor or teachers. And by that, you can now join a meeting right away. And that way, you will be able to connect, collaborate, and celebrate from anywhere with this application. Okay? So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.